Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 or 4 series guys and you're trying to find where your ignition coils are located in case you need to replace it, we'll explain what needs to be done to replace them, and we'll show you where they're located. If you want to see the whole replacement video guys, stay with us, we'll explain more about that as well. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here guys, we make more than 200 to 300 videos. Why? We take them guys all the way apart and show you how to fix things, simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, something else: if you guys need to buy new ignition coils, replacement parts, special tools for your BMW, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from. You can get it your way yourself guys, so it's more convenient and you don't have to look for all the things. Now, this is guys a 2013 BMW 3 Series, but it will work on the 4 Series and 3 Series with the 4-cylinder gasoline 2.0 liter engine, known as N20 or N26 engine guys. In today's video we'll show you where the ignition coils are located and how to get to them. If you want to see the whole replacement video guys, we'll have the video on how to repair guys YouTube channel. Check it out, everything from start to finish, but we will explain today what needs to be done too. It's not very complicated at all. Now, right here guys, this is your engine. So what do we need to do now? Okay, right here we need to remove the engine cover in order to get to the ignition coils. You guys usually have 3 clips, okay, and I forgot to mention before, some engine covers will differ. They will look the same on top, but you may have an extra vacuum lines underneath, so you have to be careful how you pull them guys. But grab, pull, okay, and it came loose. Now, once it comes loose, you're going to lift it up, make sure you don't have any vacuum lines on the side going to the turbo solenoid, wastegate solenoid, and then just go ahead and pull it out guys. Okay, this one is still holding here. Okay, slide it out, just like that. So, once we guys slide it out, let me show you on the inside, that's where it attaches to the engine. Okay, 1, 2, 3 places, okay, and on top, on the back side of the engine, that's where those things slide in. So, let me show you here, okay, I'll be able to show you better that way. It attaches right here to the engine, 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, and it slides in all the way towards the back. Go ahead, remove that foamy piece, okay, perfect, and right here guys you have your ignition coils. Okay, you can see just like that, those are your ignition coils. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4 ignition coil. Now, not very complicated to get to them, remove and replacement, okay, pretty simple as well guys. You just go ahead, open that thing, okay, slide the connector out and pull the coil out. We have the video on the channel, as I said, everything from start to finish, and it explains a little bit more about ignition coils, about spark plugs and things like that. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.